Hey, today we're looking at scientific drawings. We've talked about observations, we've talked about inferring, now we're getting into the drawings, what you would be putting into your notebook. Scientific drawing is an illustration or drawing of amphibians, birds, plants, fish, mammals, insects, landscapes, people, and other things to inform people about them. So the purpose of scientific drawings is so that people can look at them and learn about what the drawing is of. If you look inside of your textbook, you're going to see scientific illustrations everywhere. Okay, this is a scientific illustration of a frog. Okay, if we look at the frog, we might learn about his habitat. Okay, we see cattails, so that tells us that it's going to live around water. Okay, that's scientific drawings need to be detailed enough so that people can learn from them. Okay, here we've got a bug view, or from a bug's eye view. It tells you something about the bug. Although it's not an illustration, it's a picture. That's okay, but it's able to educate someone about the size, the environment of the insect. Okay, because we can see the leaf, so we know that the bug is that size compared to the leaf. Here we have a picture of a leaf. We can see the veins of the leaf, and that'll help us learn about the process of how leaves transport cells and water during photosynthesis. Here's another insect. Okay, you can see the detail on the wings and the legs and the antenna. I mean, it's very, very detailed. Okay, here we've got another insect. We can see how it's spotted. We can see in the wings the lines. Okay, even though they're very thin wings, you can still see through this artist's drawing the details. And that's important, and that's what I expect to see. Even if you're not the greatest artist, you can try your best. Right? Not only can people just have the pictures, but you can do diagrams with scientific drawings that make complicated things easier to understand. So look at this picture of Metamorphosis. It can be complicated, but the illustration makes it easier to understand. You see the picture start with the egg, and then it goes to the larva, then it goes to the pupa, and then it goes to the adult butterfly. And then the cycle starts over again. Okay, so this is a diagram with a scientific drawing. Okay, scientific drawings are very important. Like I said, they had to show the detail. Okay, because people need to be able to learn things from your drawings. So now, in your ISNs on page 13, in the bottom half, that bottom third actually, I want you to create a scientific drawing. Okay, before you create it though, look at your first one. How did you do? Do you have the detail that you need to have in it? Most likely, it's a no. So make sure that when you go to draw a second object or insect or whatever you choose to draw, that you show the detail. Okay, because we only want to have to do it once. So make sure you're showing that detail.